welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do project 2. To do project 2, we're going to need a base grid so we can attach everything. Then we're going to need a power source, and we're going to have to put it on 4C. There, like that. Then we're gonna need a wire. We're gonna need it because we're gonna put the DC motor here and then all the power is gonna go through here and go to the switch. So before all that starts, we'll put the DC motor right here. Before, it says right here, the plus has to go with the plus on here. So if we put the plus this side, and the plus here, that side, will be good. Then we're gonna need this to power everything up. So it's gonna be like that. Now we're gonna need the fan. There. And then we get, last but not least, the batteries. There are a lot of moving parts, so don't touch anything that's in action. Do not lean the motor. Ready? Alright, let's try to put the fan again. There. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to make this poor guy never leave the motor again. Thank you for watching.